In today's video, I'm going to teach you animated slide design in Canva. We'll build a clean, eye-catching slide and bring it to life with simple animations and a smooth transition. Start by opening a presentation template or a blank slide in Canva. Once your canvas is ready, head to the Elements tab on the left. Search for basic shapes and add a circle to the slide. Resize the circle by dragging a corner handle so it's large enough to anchor your layout. Then reposition it where you want the focal background to be. Change the circle's color to suit your palette. Brighter tones tend to pop behind illustrations and bold text. Go back to the elements and use the search bar to type in orange juice. Click See All under Graphics so you can browse illustrations rather than photos. Pick any orange juice graphic that matches your style, then resize it to fit the composition and move it into place near the circle. If the graphic has multiple colors, keep contrast in mind so it doesn't get lost against the circle. Next, add text. Click Text, insert a heading, and type your word or short title. Change the font to Anton for a strong, condensed look. Set the text color, then open Effects and choose Outline to give it definition. Change the outline color to black for maximum contrast. Position the text so it interacts nicely with the circle and the illustration. Overlap a bit if you like a layered feel. Now duplicate the page. This creates a second slide you'll use to simulate movement. Switch back to page 1. Here, resize and adjust the elements to set the starting positions. Move the circle to a new spot to establish motion. Scale the orange juice graphic a little larger or smaller and rotate the text slightly. Place the text partly over the circle for a bold, poster-like effect. Make any final tweaks to spacing and alignment so both pages share the same elements but with different sizes and positions. Click the background to select the page, then click Animate. Choose a page animation you like and adjust the duration to control the pacing. Between the two pages, click Add Transition and select Match and Move. This tells Canva to track the same elements across slides and create a fluid morph between their positions and sizes. Finally, click Preview to watch the animation from start to finish. If something feels too fast or jumpy, fine-tune element positions or tweak durations. That's it. An animated slide in Canva that's simple, polished, and ready to export.